washing machine at the moment. Very unpleasant. It's coming from it over there, so that's where the sea soak's coming from. And on top of that, we've got 2 knots of current going straight into it, which is making it all stand up. Just try and look after the boat a bit.
Main concern's really the rig. I think the hulls are alright, but you know, it's one of those times where you're sure you're making gains. It's risk and reward.
This is awesome, Oops. This is probably one of my favourite meals yet. Look at the colour. Serve this up to your finest dinner guests.
I actually think I'd serve this for the Queen if she came for dinner. She'd love it.
The meteorological model's having a hard time handling it. Essentially we're dealing with a new low that hasn't yet formed. So yeah, tense story of this leg really.
Yeah, but so far we're making good miles. Coming into Lisbon, we're quite sure there's going to be some compression. You know, there's already compression, the guys from behind are bringing pressure up to us. It's about almost picking the point where you want to cross the loud air zone into Lisbon and just wriggling your way north or south to line up to that position. So, and that position right at this moment we don't know. There's still a lot to play out yet.